Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with insightful guides and tutorials on using X. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of adding a description to your photo in X. Adding descriptions can enhance the accessibility and understanding of your photos. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon and tap on Post. Look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Tap on the photo. Select the photo from your gallery that you want to add a description to. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Then tap on the plalt icon. Look for the plalt icon, typically located in the corner of the photo editing options. Tap on it to add a description. Step 5. Type in the wanted text. A text field will appear where you can enter the desired description for your photo. Type in the relevant details or any information you want to convey about the photo. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a description to your photo in X. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials and tips.